Hi everyone, my name is Glory Namdi, and you're welcome to my channel again. Yes, um, today we're going to be talking about opening a second YouTube business page for those that have opened before and they want to open another one and it's difficult. And for those that haven't also opened as well, you want to start a business online and you don't know how you're going to do it, you don't know how to advertise your product, you don't know where to start, how to start up an online business. Well, I am here. I have 3 to 4, 5 years experience in this thing, and I'm here to assist you, help you out. Let's get right into the video. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to go on our Google search and type in how to request a review for a restricted account. You can pause and write down what I have said so you don't forget. That's it. I have written it out for you so you can write it. So you go there and you type it out. Once you've typed that in, all you need now is the AI overview there. Yeah, you don't need to check any other place. Just press in the first one you see, the one with the arrow, and then the first option at the top, you also click on it. That is it. You go to a wonderful site on Facebook that is not available to everybody. So yes, remember I told you I have been on Facebook for several years doing business online, and these are the little things you learn over time, you know. And so yeah, you click on that those two lines at the top, and then it will take you to a whole new different place. Now you see there's a place for get started, advertise, learn, support, and then you see that's create a page. So even if you have 5 pages, that option will always be available for you. Now they will bring you to a new place where you can create your own Facebook business page for adverts and all that. The first thing you have to do is to put in your business name, and that's the name I chose for this tutorial: bags and hands. Yes, and after that, the next option is category. Category simply means what do you sell. Facebook does this so that they will know who to push you to. So for me, I decided to put bags and luggage store. But if you want to, if it's a company you're doing, maybe you're producing the bags yourself, you can put in for company, whatever. If you're selling granites, once you type in granite, you see companies for granites, and that's how you just pick one that is suited for you. If you're selling shoes, once you type in shoes, you see shoes and this, shoes and that, and then you can pick one that suits you. Now, the next place there is a bio. A bio just simply means what's your store all about? What do you want your customers to see once they click on your page? So for me, I just simply wrote, we sell beautiful and quality bags you would love to use, and then just contact us if things like that. You could write whatever it is that comes to your mind. You could write, coming to this page, you see the best products you like. Depends on what you sell. If you sell material, you sell phone chargers, whatever it is you're selling, you can just write it down there for your customers to see what you are doing. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. It shows the algorithm that you enjoyed what you watched, and it will encourage me to post more videos online. So away from that, once you can go down from that, we're doing desktop, you click on that create page down there. Once you click on it, you have automatically created your own Facebook business page. Now you can see it's telling me it's fairly healthy. They would expect you to put in your phone number at this point. You can leave this place and go down to your Facebook and you'll be able to do that. You'll also be expected to put a profile picture and a cover picture, just as you do for your regular Facebook page. But this one, you won't put your face pictures, or you put pictures relating to your business, because when your customers look at the page, they want to see the business, what they would expect from you. For me, I put in a thumbnail for one of the videos I had made about bags. So you know the picture that you put something related to the business you are doing. Make sure it is clean and clear. So the next thing they will ask you to do is your action button. For the next video, I would specifically talk about action buttons and which one is suited for each type of business you want to do. You know, there are different types of business, and then everybody needs to know which one is best for them. So I will not be clicking on any thumbnails, any action button for now. I beg your pardon, it's action button. I won't be clicking on any of that for now. We'll be doing all that later. So this is it. Literally, we have just created a Facebook page just like this. Yeah, so the next thing we would do is to make sure that we put in our phone numbers. You can see it's showing US +1. If you're not in USA, you don't have to leave it like that. You have to move it to the country that you are in. For me, I'm in Nigeria, so I'll change it to Nigeria. If you're in Uganda, if you are in Istanbul, the Netherlands, or I don't know, wherever you are, you have to look for the one that fits you. Then you go straight down to Facebook to see how your page looks like at this point. You can see I have two pages there, two business pages. One is called Watches and Shades, and now this new one I created is Bags and Hands. So I have two pages for now. And if I want to create four, five, six, I can do all that so I can cater to my many businesses. So this is how it looks like on the page. And guys, this is just all that it is. You can always go back there and post videos, post things, but I want to advise you again, don't post videos you did not take yourself. Try your best to make your own videos if you can. I would be doing a video on how to change the background of your pictures so that you can have something beautiful if you know you don't have any choice but to take the pictures of the manufacturer. This is for those of you that will be importing things from AliExpress and Alibaba. I know you don't have the product in your hands and you need the pictures. So I will be posting a video on how to change backgrounds on different pictures that you get. And also, if you want to know the full list of things that you shouldn't do as a Facebook business owner, you can check out another video I made about things people do that gets their account suspended. You don't want Facebook to suspend your account. So you need to go watch that video. If you haven't watched it, go and watch that video. The video is titled Why Facebook Suspended My Account 6 times. So go and check it out and know how Facebook works. Thank you for watching my videos. For those of you who subscribed, thank you for subscribing. See you in my next video. Bye.